not true. By the things that we used to do. How about dinner for two? Let's take a night out for me and you. Is that too much to ask? Let's not dwell on the past no more. I know life moves so fast, but I don't wanna crash, and that's why I'm here.
Welcome back to my channel. So as you guys just saw, I did a quick unboxing and now I'm going to jump right into the review. So let's just jump right into it. So this hair is courtesy of an Amazon vendor called ZEMOKWA. I think it's ZEMOKWA. As usual, I will put it across the screen because I may be butchering the name. But the deets on this hair, as it says on their Amazon page, it says it's human hair bundles with a closure. It's Brazilian straight hair, 3 bundles, 100% unprocessed virgin Brazilian bundles with Swiss lace closure, free part, 10A, natural black color, and the inches are a 12-inch closure, 14, 16, and 18-inch bundles. And so this is what you can see right here. Now, I do have a disclaimer that I did not choose the lengths, nor did I choose the type of hair that was sent. This is actually the hair that they just told me that they were going to send to me. And so I say that because I typically like to either get longer lengths or more bundles of whatever lengths I have. I say that because that leads me right into the pros and the cons of this hair. So the first pro of this hair is that it's affordable. All of this hair, so 3 bundles and a closure, costs $75.99 according to the Amazon page. So you know that is crazy ridiculous price to get 3 bundles and a closure. So that is a pro, that it is a reasonable price for people that are just looking for inexpensive but nice quality hair. That leads me to pro number 2, is that the hair quality is nice. I do like that I can just run my hand straight through it, no tangles. I did have some shedding. I'm not sure if it's because I plucked very minimal in the parting space, or if it was just shedding on its own. I just created the unit as well as just put it on my head, so I haven't really like played in the hair. The other pro is that I love the closure. I love how natural it looks. I like the fact that once I put my foundation under the lace to kind of, you know, go with my skin tone and match my makeup and stuff, that the closure blended seamlessly with my skin. And so I've already showed you guys an up close personal, but I absolutely love the fact that I didn't even have to create any type of baby hairs or anything because it just looks that natural. So yeah, I think that's everything that I need to say about pros about the hair. Now I do have some cons. So the first con that I noticed was packaging. So I'm gonna show you guys. It came, I can't remember what packaging it came in. I don't know if it was like FedEx or whatever, but then it comes in this like foil packaging, and the foil packaging inside smelled horrible. Let me see if it still smells. So yeah, it doesn't smell right now, but when I first opened it, the packaging had a very strong stench, like a smell. I thought the hair smelled like that, but when I took the hair out, the hair didn't necessarily have that smell. And I didn't wash this hair. Yeah, so I don't smell anything on the hair, but it just being in the packaging, I wasn't used to the scent that came inside the packaging, but thankfully the hair didn't smell like that, so that is a pro. So another con that I noticed was that I can't tell if the ends are just thin or if I just needed another bundle of the 18-inch and I would have felt comfortable, because for me, I feel like it's pretty thick up here, but as it goes down, it definitely gets thin. And so I'm not really feeling that. Like I told you guys, I did not choose what hair was going to be sent to me. This is just the hair that they sent to me, so I made it work. I will say that these inches and these bundles definitely go for a more natural look. Then I definitely think this is an everyday unit. And so I will say that that is actually another pro, that I feel like it is an everyday unit, but I wish I would have had another bundle of the 18 inches just to have more volume. And so another con, which is probably probably my biggest con of them all is that you guys can't see it because I did a nice job of finessing it, but there are a bunch of flyaways that are in the part. So it was more so on this area. Right now I have sprayed the hair down. I put a little bit of beeswax. I straightened the hair, plus put a scarf on there for like 30 minutes also that I could lay the hair down so that you guys can see it in its nice state. But I want to let you guys know that there are some flyaway hair. So let me see if I can get up close to show you guys just what I'm talking about, to let you guys know. I don't know why the hair is like that. It's only in the closure. So in the closure there are a bunch of flyaways, and it's as if somebody cut the hair but they didn't. So I don't know what's up with that. I would hope that they would work on that. To me, they seem like they're an up and coming new company. So hopefully they have time to go back and figure out why their closure has so many flyaways. So yeah, that's exactly what I was talking about when I was telling you guys about the flyaways. I'm not even sure if they're considered flyaways anymore or if it's just cut hair. But yes, it's actually way more than that, but I did such a great job of laying the hair down that you guys don't see them, which I guess is a good thing. But I definitely want to be honest with you guys about the closure, because if I'm spending my coin, I would want somebody to be honest with me about what to expect, possibly. But I can only speak from my experience, but that's the experience that I had when I first put the unit on and I went to part the hair the way that I did. It was hair just sticking up like alfalfa, like I don't know, Little Rascals alfalfa. Like my hair was just sticking up, and I literally had to spray straighten the hair, spray straighten the hair, then put a little beeswax on there to like lay the hairs down. So yeah, just wanted to let you guys know that that is something that, you know, hopefully they will work on. So that was pretty much everything that I had to say about this hair, about this unit that I created. Hopefully it was very informative for you if you decide to purchase this hair. I gave you some pros, I gave you some cons, and then somewhere in the middle you can make a final decision about how you feel about the hair. So I hope that you guys like at least what I did with my unit. And so make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you're thinking about how I rock this unit, and I hope to see you guys in my next video.